Wait, your head cut chopped off. Hey guys. My hair looks crazy. I feel like it looks crazy. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video. What is this? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel and this is my sister.
Dana in a cut.
And in today's video, she is going to be doing my makeup. She's going to do a full face. We're going to see what she's been learning. Hopefully she could give me a full beat. And look at this face. Ah, the beauty of makeup, huh? Oh wait, Dana. Tell the people. Get back. Tell the people 3 fun facts about yourself. Yes.
First fun fact.
I know one. Dana could sing, guys. Dana could sing. I want to hear you sing. We're gonna save that for the end. Okay. You pick three. First fun fact is
that I'm cute. Second fun fact. I'm fun.
Are you?
Third, she's my sister.
I said that already. You can't use that. You gonna mess my eyebrows up. No, you can do my eyebrows. You should be able to do it.
I could. Unlike you.
You said unlike me? I can do eyebrows. What are you talking about? So disrespectful.
Hey.
You remember which one you did?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
Darker color. It's in crease. Maybe just to do a neutral, you know?
You the one that wanted to do red. You better blend that. What is that? What is that? What you said?
Your eyes, like it is deep. You know?
My eyes are deep, but I don't have bags. And if there are bags, they're Chanel bags.
No.
Yeah, they're Chanel. They're YSL, Chanel,
No.
Gucci. Yo, boy.
What's up then? Okay, let's do a triangle.
You don't even know it. Why you bother me when you know it?
It is me. It's just
Who's I see boo.
cut that off.
Yo, if you keep putting that sponge in my eye.
Did it pan out? What?
Nothing, nothing. You're doing perfectly fine.
Your Mickey Mouse head ass.
My Mickey Mouse? Okay. Okay.
Okay, turn.
You have a very, like, heavy hand.
Your turn. What's wrong with it? Okay, let's see. I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm just tripping. Anyways, turn.
Turn.
Blood, go to bed.
Your hands are mad cold.
What?
Your hands is what got me giving me the chills.
You keep moving.
Oh, did you mess up? Oh man. Just blend it out with the brush. You can't really see it, can you see?
I can just dance over the.
Or tone it down with the one of the neutral colors. Oh my god.
Look like a whole clown. Anyway.
I look like a clown?
Don't judge.
How am I a clown? You ever seen that video?
Okay, let me see. I guess I'll tone it out with the dark one.
They look even more pink?
Yes.
I guess I'm a clown too.
Done.
Attempt number 1 at putting lashes on. Let's go.
There's no proof of launches.
Probably not.
You said it 2 years. Okay, so I'm just trying to.
First of all, the glue already like not gonna even work anymore.
Told you that. Psych. Never mind.
Thank God, because I don't know what she was trying to do.
Okay, so
At least put. Is this the finished product? This is a close-up. Eyebrows don't look bad. Overall, I would give this makeup a 7.5.
beginner's luck.
It's not bad. cheeks are a little rosy. The eyebrows though, they don't look bad. Thank God you didn't do that smoky eye. That's not bad. So you know what time it is? What time is it? You're about to sing.
No, we're supposed to do.
She's gonna sing.
No.
She's gonna sing.
My names, I can't even put this on my ear.
SZA. SZA head ass.
That's funny.
Broken. Go ahead. You'll start from verse 1?
Wait, I don't know the lyrics.
Yes, you don't know the lyrics? You sing that song all the time. Hold on, let me Google it.
Facts.
Hold on.
All
It's
the
right
freaking
here.
same O's in my damn head.
Let me do it. I'm gonna give you your shot. Yeah. Am I even recording? Okay. Alright. Front and center.
Okay. It's coming up just now.
It coming out? Start from never. You start from never?
Ooh, better day. That didn't sound like I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Left dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Yeah, I just do it my way. Oh my God, is these broken clocks? I ain't got no time, just running daylight. Still love, still love, still love it, still love. Still love it, still love, still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. Love I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. Got a shift at 10 a.m., got a dip by 10 p.m., gotta get that cash. I had a smoke break in about 2 days, don't break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talk about me like we together?
I'm down.
Better,
Down, whatever. Whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better day than yesterday. I just get it day by day.
never hearing what they say.
I just do it my way.
All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, still love, still love it, still love. Still love it, still love, and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love.
You could sleep past 9 a.m. Make me feel young again.
Can't beat 'em, just join the party. Don't need nobody.
All
That I've got pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me.